This is just a look at a vertical engine I picked up from a friend last weekend. It's an unknown manufacturer, and it was kind of an odd engine. The top half seems to be very old, brass castings and cast iron support, and then oddly the bottom half, or the base, is aluminum. The bearings are one-piece aluminum with no bushings. The crankshaft is cast, and the connecting rod is aluminum. There's a flywheel with a round belt pulley as well, and the round belt pulley also seems to have an eccentric on the end, as if it might have been connected to a water pump. On the other side is an aluminum pulley, which was painted a really 60s era turquoise, which I did not like. And below the brass, or below the aluminum base, is another brass plate. And so I had this engine and I didn't know whether to restore it or exactly what to do, but I did run it first before making a decision, and it ran on between 1 and 2 pounds of pressure and ran very smoothly, and probably has an 1.25 inch bore and an 1.25 inch stroke. Seemed to have some power, so I decided to make it a working engine and just leave it the way it is, not paint it, at least for now. I've had this little scroll saw for a couple of years, and was looking for just the right engine to operate it. This is an American Boy scroll saw. It says made in USA, patent August 21, 1923. And so a nice little toy scroll saw, I guess. So anyways, I'm going to try to hook it up while I'm holding on to the camera, so we'll see how that works, and we'll take a look at it if I can turn my air on without losing the picture too bad. And there we go. That's running on 5 pounds of pressure. We can probably turn it down to the speed we like. And there we are, just about 4 pounds of pressure. This engine, as I said, runs very smoothly. So I'm pretty happy with that setup, and I think that that's how I'm going to leave it. Makes a nice little display piece for shows. A lot of times people look at model engines and ask what they do, so it's nice to have them doing something. This motor might have actually been used. Thanks for watching.